What is up to YouTubers? It's Mushrooms Toy Box, and here we have another Quickie car review. This is another 2018 Hot Wheels release, and it is of one of my favorite cars, the 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. And it's in black. I love this car so much. Part of the Nightburner series. It's 5 out of 10. So anyways, let's go ahead and crack this open. Now I know this is not a new model. However, I'm so glad it's in black. The first one I got was in, I think, a yellow or a weird off yellow. This one is in black. I love my Mercedes in black. I have actually two Mercedes, 184 diesel coupe and one E430, which is all black on black. This car unfortunately is not black on black, but it's still very cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now the paint actually has this really cool like metal flake in it, so it's a metallic kind of paint, and it gives off a little bit of a glitter shine. The wheels are pretty cool too. The base is a silver-ish. Now I want to say this feels like it's a little smaller than a few of the other 164 castings, so I'm gonna even say this is not a true 164, but it's still very cool. A lot of great detail in the front. Unfortunately, it's too small to actually get that distinctive grille where it's all like speckled. In real life, it's really cool to see, but they did a pretty good job. Oh, and guess what? There are taillights. How cool is that? If you watch my videos, you know that I am a big fan of taillights. Another really cool thing to point out, they actually have the side view mirrors. Whoops. As I drop and scratch the car. Check that out. Most Hot Wheels do not have these anymore. So it's really awesome when they actually take the time to add that detail. Right? How awesome is that? Anyways, let me know what you think. Also, please stay tuned. I'm going to be giving away toys soon, and that will be on a video series that I'm about to start on Tuesdays. So stay tuned. I'll give the big reveal on the details on how to get the toys for free, and we'll see you soon. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you can tell whenever I have a new video up. And thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about the AMG GT, and we'll see you at the next video. Alright guys, bye-bye.